Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome shower caddy by YASONIC. This has made a huge difference for me in the shower. I'm going to show you it up close and explain what I love about it.
So I have two bathrooms in my house, and I never use my daughter's bathroom because I feel like there's no space to do anything and I hate the clutter. But once I put this in, it was so easy to apply. I feel like I'm in a totally different shower. The organization is great and it holds a ton. So I have curly hair and lots of products come along with that. So I needed to find something that was sturdy enough to hold a lot of products. So right now we're all sharing the bathroom and you can see my products, my husband's, and my kids' products all in here. And I even have this thing I put high enough so my kids can't touch my razor. And it's just been such a good experience. And I really think that everybody should get one of these. If you have clutter in your bathroom, this makes a world of difference.
So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.